Welcome back. Kevin's Motor Repair, 2015 Honda Accord 1.8 belt and alternator. Disconnect your 10mm here for the battery, move it out the side. Need a tool like this for the removal process. The belt tensioner, the bolt right there, it is going to be a left to right type action, so you're going to put it here and it's going to move towards the back of the motor, and that will loosen it up. Do not try and do it real fast. It is a hydraulically compressed tensioner, so it will kind of give you tension, and then as the fluid and stuff escapes from the cylinder, then it will release up. So it just takes a couple of seconds to get fully retracted. Then you can slip the belt off. Alternator itself, we got one connector here, this connector here. Under here is a 10 for the power supply. Undo this little clip right here, take the harness out of the way. 10mm bolt right here, and then another one down at the bottom. Can't see it, but I'll show you on the other one. So it sits like this. So the other one's just right down there. They are 12s as well. Long 12 like yay. We'll get to both of them with no problem, because it'll pass the pulley and such. The only problem I had was this one, was the belt. It's 24 degrees outside, and that belt did not want to go back on at all. It kept slipping off every single pulley that I had it on. It was fighting me for a while, but eventually got it. Going back together, same way. Relatively simple. Use that same tool, retract the tensioner back, slip the belt back on, and away you go. That's when tools like yay come in handy for that belt. Power supply back on, fire it up, let it run for a little bit, see what you have. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.